to the 2024 Eclipse Golf Annual Tournament. I wanted to, first off, thank everyone for the $20 donation. It's going to be going to our Cancer Foundation. I also wanted to thank Steve. Steve is matching everybody's $20 donation. So, round of applause for all of you and for Steve. And finally, this is all about having fun, getting to know each other, maybe making a new friend, a little bit of playing golf as well. So let's go out there, stay safe, and have some fun.